Do you want to make a video of your computer screen? There are a number of very good software, each with very different properties to adequately serve you for this purpose. However, in this video, I would introduce you to Cam Studio, an open source software. To begin with, open up your browser and direct it to Google search and type in Cam Studio. The first entry in the search list is the link to Cam Studio. Click on this link. It will direct you to the download page for Cam Studio. You see, it is an open source, which means you can use it without paying a single penny. Click on the download link and then install the downloaded software, and you are now ready for recording the screen of your computer. Just to remind you, Cam Studio record in AVI format, which has mentioned, you can see it in the highlighted text. You may go through the rest of instruction, but I will take you to the recording screen. Click on the Cam Studio icon and it will be open up with a screen as you see here. On the Cam Studio screen, there are 3 buttons at the leftmost upper corner. The first one, where you see the cursor, is the start button. Pressing it will start recording your computer screen. You see the number on the screen are changing, which shows that Cam Studio is presently recording and the file size is growing. The second important thing is the selection of the window to be recorded. That information lies within the region tab, the second leftmost tab in the upper corner. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu containing 4 options. If you are recording a particular open window, click on the window option. I'm presently recording a window containing a PDF file, and you see that in the background. Once you check in the window option, Cam Studio will ask you for clicking a window. Whichever window you choose, Cam Studio will start recording and you are done with. So good luck for your recording.